Hey, what is up you guys? How's it going? Welcome to the Ecomhunt YouTube channel. My name is Sherban, and in this video I'm going to talk about something really special and dear to all of us. I'm going to talk about our mothers. We all love our mothers and everybody in this world loves their mother, so let's talk about that. But I don't want to talk about it from the perspective of a son or husband or daughter. I want to talk about it from the perspective of a dropshipper, a businessman. What is our duty? To know what's going to sell, to catch a wave before it forms, right? This is what dropshippers do. We must always be one step ahead of our competition. And I want to tell you that Mother's Day is around the corner. It's at the beginning of May. And this is why I'm making this video, because I want you to know what kind of products you should sell and how you should tackle this problem so that on Mother's Day you will just count your money instead of looking for presents, right? So we must put ourselves in the shoes of our mothers, right? We must think like our mothers. We must see what our mothers would love, and how can we tackle this problem? How can we make a strategy? First of all, what does a mother like? I think, in my opinion, my 2 cents, all of the mothers in this world are the same when it comes to presents. They all love the same things. For example, they love chocolate. Well, we cannot sell, practically speaking, we cannot sell chocolate by drop shipping, so we're gonna pass that. Flowers, every woman in the world loves flowers, right? Jewelry, they all love jewelry. We can combine these two. I'm gonna show you how we can combine these two later, flowers and jewelry. They love like memorable, sentimental jewelry or sentimental things that will remind them of their kids, their husband, their daughter, their son. So the good part about this is that we can sell products for Mother's Day to a lot of people. We can tackle this from lots of positions. We can sell Mother's Day products to somebody who has a mother, who's a son, who's a daughter, who's a husband, who's a parent of the mother, right? So we can sell to a lot of people. Everybody has a mother or a daughter who's a mother or something like that. So we have a pretty big audience that we can sell to. This is a really good thing. Next up, let's talk about what do mothers like. Let's go on Google Trends. Let me get out of here and yeah, I already searched this. I forgot it. Let's search for flowers. By the way, I highly recommend you to use Google Trends because it will show you highly relevant data. Let's go past 5 years. If you're looking closely, you will see that the word flowers has a really big interest in 2 dates every year. I'm gonna let you guess what are those dates. They are close to each other. Let's check them out. One of them is February before 14. That means that a lot of people are searching the word flowers before Valentine's Day and before Mother's Day, between 1 and 7 May. I think that Mother's Day is in 10th of May. Yeah, it's in 10th of May. So a lot of people search the word flowers between Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. So this happens every year without exception. This tells us one thing, right? It tells us that this year will be exactly the same. As you can see, Valentine's Day was right here and interest was at its peak, and Mother's Day will come and the interest will be at a maximum level possible. It means that if we're gonna sell something related to flowers, we will have a lot of success, right? Let's go more specific. Let's write, I don't know, roses. Mothers love roses. You will see the same results, I'm guessing. Let's go in the last 5 years. Yeah, it's almost the same results, Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. So let's go to Aliexpress, and right here, rose necklace. I remember a product. This product was killing it back in the day. Oh, let's save this one too. Let's have a look at it later. Where was it? Here's the product. So this product is making a killing every year. Not this one, yeah, this one as well, but this one. It's a rose in the form of a necklace, and more than this product costs only 82 cents. Can you imagine that? This is really cheap. You can easily sell this for $20. It's a huge profit margin, and it comes in 3 different colors. It's a free shipping. They have a lot of stock available. They have a lot of reviews, so you could easily sell this. I think that they have, like, yeah, they have really amazing pictures, really amazing quality pictures. You could put this on your store, on your landing page. It has some specifics here, and I bought this to my mother, and I think like the last year, yeah, I bought it to my mother for the Mother's Day celebration, and it's an amazing product. It's a really cheap product. A lot of people will buy it because yeah, these kinds of presents usually tend to get really expensive, but if you're putting yourself in the shoes of a son or daughter or husband, $20 is not that much. But if you're a drop shipper, the profit margin for this is really good, really good, and I highly recommend you to start selling this product. I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can check it out. Let's check another product, this one. I'm gonna leave a link to this one as well. This is the same price, the same deal as I thought about with the past product. It's an amazing gift. It's just a little heart with some stones in it that says mom. It has a lot of colors. It has some orders, free shipping. Let's check out the pictures. Yeah, they have pretty nice pictures, like really clear pictures, white background. Amazing. I really love this type of product, and this goes really well on Mother's Day. It's a perfect present for Mother's Day. And I would highly recommend you to start selling this one as well. It has some reviews as well. You can take a look at the reviews. It looks good in reality as well, right? I don't think that if you give something like this to your mother, she would say that she does not like it. So these are products that are really good to be sold as drop shippers, because we have an amazing profit margin. We can earn a lot of money. I mean, we have huge margins on this. Just imagine that you're getting the product with 80 cents and you're selling it for $20. That's $18, $19 to play with, right? You could put a lot of effort in running some nice ads, in making a really good product page, and you'll be all set before Mother's Day. I mean, this kind of a deal, this kind of a celebration like date, Mother's Day, Father's Day, whatever, I don't know what they come up with, but these types of days are filling the pockets of dropshippers usually, and these 2 products are just an example. Let's just write Mother's Day. Let's see what Aliexpress gives us. Yeah, check this product out. Mother-daughter. This is a necklace specifically made for Mother's Day to be sold to daughters. This is even cheaper. This is 71 cents. It's a really good product. I think I showcased this product on the last video. Yeah, really nice pictures, really nice quality. You could also sell this for Mother's Day. You could do a one product store, or you could do a store that's oriented to Mother's Day and sell all of these. And there are lots of products just like this one. There are not only these 3. Look at this. This is cute. I really like this. And they, as you can see, all of these products are $1, $2, 80 cents, $1.21. So they're nothing. You can play with a lot of money here, and you can sell this for at least $20. This as well. They are all amazing Mother's Day products. So let me show you another product that I am sure that a lot of you guys are familiar with. Rose Bear, I think. Yeah, I think I wrote it good. Yeah, we all know this product, right? It's amazing. Like every year, I think this product has started from 2 years ago, and it's making a killing. Every time there's something related to women, this product is one of the first one that's making a killing. I think I gave like 5 of these bears to some women in my life, like my mother, my grandmother, my ex-girlfriend, my future girlfriend. She doesn't even know it yet, but I already ordered one for her. I didn't even met her yet. So yeah, look at this, 21,800 orders. Imagine these bears are making a killing. They are making a lot of money for a lot of smart people who know when to sell this product. And look at this, it's $7. It's between, I think, between $3 and $7. Yeah, it's like $7. Yeah, the $3 were these. Okay, so $7. Look at the pictures. They have amazing quality pictures which you can use for your product page. Really nice, and they have like 2,000 reviews. You can choose from a lot of reviews, and you can see that the product looks as amazing as it looks on Aliexpress. It looks in reality, because these are real reviews from real people. And what I want to show you is this. This is a average dropshipping store. Look at it. Look at the price, $40. Imagine how big is the margin that they are playing with. Like, how big is the margin that you can play with if you start selling this product today? This is like a mediocre page. It has all of the important elements, and I'm sure they are making a killing, but it doesn't look that good. Like, look at this. It's not well. Like, the real estate is not used really good. They don't have any reviews. You could do a job a lot better than these guys, and I'm sure that these guys are making a lot of money. And check out the price. This is what I want to show you. $40, and the product is $7. So there's a lot of money to play with. You have a lot of room to play with, and I highly recommend you to start selling this product today. I mean, right after closing this video. So let's move on to the last product that I'm going to show you. It's called True Lover's Box. Yes, it has the lover in the title, but this is an amazing product to sell for Mother's Day as well. This is an amazing product to give to anybody who you love, like your mother, your father, your grandmother, your friend even. This is a product, it's a box basically that has a lot of places to put pictures in it. And I think that this is an amazing product that you can give to anybody. It doesn't matter if it's Friendship Day, if it's a Brother's Day, if it's a Sister's Day, whatever they are making up nowadays. This is an amazing product. You have a box where you can put something like a watch, a ring, a present, something like that. And when you open it, it has all of these pictures. Of course, you will have a little work, like you need to print all of these pictures. But I think that the impact that this product makes, it's amazing. And as well, we have thought about it. Check this out. You get this product for $7.21, and you can sell it for $30. If you're wondering, this is Ecomhunt. This is the platform that I keep talking about. It's an amazing platform that gives you 2 to 3 new winning products every day for you to sell. Now, right now, I'm talking about Mother's Day, but Ecomhunt will give you like really trendy products to sell on all niches. You don't want to only sell products on Mother's Day. What else you gonna do in the rest of the year, right? So this is why Ecomhunt is here for you. We have a wonderful team that's searching and digging for winning products, for products that are making waves on the market, and we are giving you these products every day. You can check out every product that you want here. You just click on the green button, show me the money, and you will get everything about it. You will get a saturation inspector that will tell you how many stores are selling this product. You will get how much you can get the product for, how much you can sell the product for, and this is an average that's made out of all of the stores that are selling this product, so you don't have to think about that. You don't have to think about what should you price the product. You get a lot of useful information here about targeting, about Instagram influencers that can sell this product for you. And you get a lot of useful links, such as Aliexpress. If you click on it, it will take you to the Aliexpress page that's selling this. Check this out. You can just click one button and you will import it to your store. Just check out store selling this item. If you click on that, it will take you to another store that's selling this item. If you click on the Facebook ad, it will take you to a Facebook ad that's trying to sell this product. So this happens with every product. So this is Ecomhunt. If you're interested, you have a link in the description. You have an amazing deal from $29 for 1 month. You will get a discount for $20 per month. Trust me, you will not regret it. Like every niche that you could think about can be found here on Ecomhunt. And let's move on. Let's talk about the last product that I wanted to talk about. This one, I highly recommend you to sell this because this is something more special and it's a bit more expensive. You could sell this for $30, even $40. You don't have such a big competition. Like 4 other stores are selling this product right now. So yeah, you can pack it like this. I think that this is a little bit more expensive than the necklaces and all of the other products. You could sell it for more, but the impact is as well really nice. And I think that it has a bit more work to do. I mean, you have to print the pictures, you have to cut them, you have to put them in the right place, but the impact that this product has, it's amazing. But whatever, guys, these were the products that I would recommend you to sell on Mother's Day. Please do something about it. Make a list. You will have a link for every product that I'm posting here in the description. Make sure to check them out, and don't only keep these products. As you saw on Aliexpress, you can see as I don't know, as the eye can see, a lot of products that are good to be sold on Mother's Day. And yeah, this is where I will end this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next week. Please make sure to leave a like to this video in order for YouTube to show it to other people who might be interested. And if you think that this information that you found and these products are relevant and you like the information that I gave you, please subscribe to our channel because this is how you support us. Thank you for watching. See you next week.